A 680-gram steel impact weight running inside a rail is dropped from a given height, impacting with the plunger. The impact point is on the plunger end, thus reproducing the most severe working conditions. The impact weight is dropped from a height of 0.3 meters. After the impact, no plunger deflection is visible and the sample is working smoothly. The same sample is therefore suitable for undergoing further impacts. The drop height increases impact by impact, and the sample functioning is checked after every impact. These impacts have to be considered beyond normal working conditions. Nevertheless, samples still assure a safe operation. The test is stopped when the plunger deformation caused by the impact is too excessive for a smooth sliding of the plunger.